Okay, this would be the cheapest gas-powered mini bike, dirt bike thing I could find on Amazon, at least with free shipping. That's what it should look like. There's not really a name on it, I guess. Maybe this one. But $249 is what I paid. And I'm not sure about this gross weight and net weight, but UPS says it's 55 pounds, so they're usually pretty close. Can't expect it to be very heavy duty, I guess, for only 55 pounds, but it looks good, so I'm gonna take it out of the box and see how big or small it really is. Okay, it's out of the box. I gotta say, it's actually packed pretty decent. And it came with a mixing bottle here to mix the gas and the oil. I haven't looked at the owner's manual yet, but just wanted to show that I think it was wrapped pretty decent. Okay, here it is all put together. I think it looks pretty good. It is small though, and they call the rims, well, 6.5 inches, but there's a Harbor Freight wheels next to it, and for 6.5 inch rims, they're still not very tall with the tires. And I said I wasn't sure about the name. Here's what the owner's manual says. And I forgot to say it comes with a tool kit, but you're still going to need another wrench to put the footrest on, foot pegs, whatever. But other than that, it was pretty easy to do. So there it is. Next video, I'll see how it runs.